Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. Solve algebraically the simultaneous equations. We have 3x squared plus 2y squared equals 44. Let's call that equation number 1. And we have 3x plus y equals 2. Let's call this equation 2. Let's rearrange it so we can make y the subject of the second equation. So you will end up with y is equal to, take away 3x from both sides, is equal to 2 minus 3x. Then what we're going to do, we're going to substitute equation number 2. Let's write it in over here. Let's substitute equation number 2. Equation 2 into equation number 1. And then this is what we should get. We should get 3x squared plus 2 lots. Well, y now is 2 minus 3x. We know that. So let's replace that 2 minus 3x. Over here, we need to square that. And the answer works out to be 44. Let's put that over here. Which works out to be 44. Let's expand and simplify this. You get 3x squared plus 2 lots of, well, this is brackets being squared, so let's rewrite it 2 times. 2 minus 3x multiplied by 2 minus 3x is equal to 44. Then one more time, let's expand it out. 3x squared plus 2 lots of 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times minus 3x is minus 6x. Minus 3x times 2 is minus 6x. Plus 9x squared. And I need to close the brackets, is equal to 44. Then you've got 3x squared plus 8. That's going to be minus 12x. And double it will be minus 24x plus 18x squared, and then take away the 44 is equal to 0. Let's tidy that up. You've got 18x squared plus 3x squared, which will give you 21x squared. You will have minus 24x. You've got plus 8 and a minus 34. Minus 44, and that should give you minus 36 is equal to 0. Now what we're going to do, I can see a common factor of 3 over here, so let's divide this by 3, so we get 7x squared minus 8x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now what we need to do, we need to list the factors over here. So you've got our a term over here. We've got AC. Let's write it down over here. You've got AC is equal to 7 times minus 12, which works out to be minus 84. So we need two numbers that multiply to give us minus 84, but they must combine to give us minus 8. So let's start listing the factors then. So what could they possibly be? That could be 1 and 84. It could be 2 and 42. It could be 3 and 28. 4 and 21. It could be 6. And what else could it be? 6. 6 goes to 1, so the remainder 2. 6 and 14. Or it could be 7 and 12. Well, it definitely looks as if it's going to be this parent over here. So that would be minus 14, because it needs to be combined to give us minus 8. Minus 14 plus 6 is minus 8, and if I times them together it will give me minus 84. So let's rewrite that down over here. Let's go back. So then we'll get 7x squared. Let's write down minus 14x plus 6x minus 12 equals 0. And then let's take out 7x as a common factor. Then you get x minus 2. The sign is positive. Take out 6 as a common factor. You get x minus 2. The two brackets are the same, so we know we're in the right steps. And then to finish with the factorization, you're going to get 7x plus 6. That's what's outside the brackets. And you get x minus 2. And then we need to solve for this. Let's put a little margin over here. And then let's work this out. So what's your x values? Well, our x values are going to be x is equal to 2, and our second value is going to be x is equal to minus 6 over 7. Okay, right, so then let's substitute this. Let's substitute x values into equation 2, and then let's try this then. So we should get y, we should get 3x, actually let's do 3 times 2, that's the first x value, and then plus y is equal to 2. Then you get y is equal to 2 minus 6, and y is equal to 4. So this is one of our solutions. When the x value is 2, when the x value is 2, the y value is equal to minus 4. So let's go back over there. The y value is minus 4. Right, so let's try it for the next one then. You've got 3x and your x value is minus 6 over 7 plus y is equal to 2. That's going to give us minus 18 over 7 plus y is equal to 2. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert 2 into a denominator with 7. So 7 times 2 is 14, so therefore you end up getting 14 over 7, that's the same as 2. And then instead of the inverse of minus 18 over 7 is add 18 over 7. So that's going to be plus 18 over 7. And then therefore y is equal to 32 over 7. So therefore we know on our second solution, when x is equal to minus 6 over 7, our value for y should work out to be 32 over 7. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.